The Suzuki Gsx 250 Inazuma is a sport touring naked bike introduced by Suzuki to meet the needs of riders who want a bike with high comfort, stable performance, and elegant design. The bike is also known as the Suzuki Gsx 250 in some markets, including Europe and America. The Suzuki Gsx 250 Inazuma was first introduced in 2012 and is positioned as a mid-range motorcycle suitable for both long trips and daily use. The name Inazuma. The Suzuki Gsx 250 Inazuma features a touring naked bike design that provides a comfortable riding position with higher handlebars than full-fairing sport bikes. The bike has a distinctive look with a large body and round trapezoidal headlights that give it a classic modern feel. Equipped with a 250 cubic centimeter two-cylinder engine, the Suzuki Gsx 250 Inazuma offers quite responsive power, especially for touring or daily use. Although the power is not as aggressive as full-fairing sport bikes like the Yamaha RX-25 or Kawasaki Ninja 250, the bike emphasizes comfort and fuel efficiency. The Suzuki Gsx 250 Inazuma is no longer produced on a large scale, but it is still available in select markets. Now comes the transformation of the Suzuki Gsx Inazuma into a classic cafe racer-style motorcycle. The design not only exudes retro, but also retains modern performance. The bike looks elegant with its metallic maroon tank, adorned with a gold Suzuki logo, giving it a distinctive vintage feel. The rear end is made more minimalist with a single seat with stitched lines, and the rear fender is short, creating a neat and aggressive look. The gold Öhlins rear suspension not only enhances ride stability and comfort but also emphasizes the premium feel. In terms of performance, the GSX's signature air-cooled four-cylinder engine is retained to maintain the bike's power and distinctive characteristics. The tooth-into-one exhaust with black header wrap gives it a fiercer look while reducing heat. The combination of classic radius wheels with modern tires and dual disc brakes with gold calipers at the front ensures a balance between retro aesthetics and modern technology, enhancing safety and control while riding. Overall, the Suzuki Gsx Inazuma is the perfect blend of classic style and modern technology. So for those of you who love classic cafe racers, are you ready to welcome the new Suzuki Gsx Inazuma?